So good evening to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we will be discussing about Adani Green Energy share. So about Adani Green Energy, people who are regularly following me, they might be knowing that we were discussing about Adani Green Energy from the 330 rupees level. So almost updated levels on regular basis. So when it has approached the 330 rupees level, we have discussed the company fundamentals and also have discussed some important factors, that is the political background on how it will affect the stock price, how it will be benefited. So whenever any government which has support to especially these type of companies, so how the share price will be affected. So I've discussed all the factors, so do watch it. So I'll provide the link as well. And in this video we'll discuss what will be the next set of targets. So today also we have seen some good positive movement of almost 3%, and it has crossed the 700 rupees level. So previously when we discussed about Adani Green Energy, so we have discussed near the 600 rupees level, and we discussed that this would be the best level. People who want to have a fresh investment also, they can add at that particular level. So that is what I have discussed in my earlier videos. So do mention in the comment section the price where you have taken, so that I will discuss whether to have an additional investment or you can average. Okay, so today we'll do the volume analysis and then we'll switch over to the technical charts. So people are new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. So if we see the current market price of Adani Green Energy, so clearly you can see it is trading near 720.425, and you can see today it has given almost a 3% positive movement. So even though today the market volatility was little fluctuating, so many fluctuations were seen, so this particular stock has given some positive movement regarding those volatility as well. So if you see the market cap, so really you can see the market cap almost has crossed the 1 lakh mark as well, so that we have discussed in earlier videos as well. And if we see the PE, it is near 12.43, and if you compare with the current PE, you can see almost current PE is 426. So if you see earlier the PE was almost 666, so slightly PE has also reduced. Okay, next if we see the deliverable quantities, so we can see that little bit of deliverable quantities are reducing, so that is one thing you need to remember. And also the traded quantity is increasing, so always you need to see that deliverable quantity is increasing and traded quantity is reducing. So clearly you can see in the volume analysis, so on 14th October, so we have seen 27.2% deliverable quantities, and if you compare it with monthly as well as weekly averages, so clearly you can see the percentage wise deliverable quantity is reducing and traded quantity is also increasing. So whenever traded quantity is increasing, so you need to be little cautious. If you are investing at high levels, then you need to invest only in small quantities. So heavy investments, if you invest, so if correction happens, so the loss occurring chances also will increase. Always have a mindset of buy on dips. So whenever you're investing at each and every dip, so initially invest in small amounts, later keep on adding at each and every fall. So especially in fundamentally strong stocks, especially for a long term, you need to follow these type of strategies. So clearly you can see currently the delivery percentage is a little bit of reduction is seen. So as usual, so whenever you find any correction, always invest in small portions. So we'll see that on technical charts at which levels again we can have a fresh entry. So if we see the returns, okay, if we see in 1 week it has given almost 3.74, 1 month 13.55, 3 months 108, 6 months 295, and in 1 year almost 816% returns were given by Adani Green Energy. So many people were benefited. So if you have invested even at 330 rupees level where we have discussed, so you would also be doubling your investment. Okay, so nothing much we can say about that. So little patience is required. So when you want to generate wealth for long term, so you need to have patience and you need to invest on regular basis. Okay, and you should not do any sort of selling in between and book all your profits. So profit booking you can do, but selling entire thing, especially in stocks where further increment will be possible, so there you need to be little attentive. So if we see what the indicators are suggesting, so clearly if we see RSI and money flow index, so money flow index is near the mid range, that is 54.9, RSI is near 65.2, so both we can say are in not in oversold region as well as in overbought region, so in between. So when it reaches oversold region, you need to understand that again buying will happen and it will start moving to the overbought region. So same whenever any stock approaches overbought region, so you should be little cautious and you need to not invest in heavy quantities but only in small portions. Okay, so this is the essence of money flow index. Okay, so we're back onto the technical chart. So this is the 1-day chart. So in 1-day chart, what you can see, when the stock was having uptrend, so when it has the downtrend, we discussed near this particular level, that is the 600 rupees level that we can add in small portions. So that time again the stock has given upward journey. So again it has started correcting. So again today we are discussing about this particular stock. Actually yesterday we should be discussing, but due to so many videos yesterday I've uploaded regarding so many UTI AMC MassDoc, so this video was not uploaded. So today we are discussing near the 730 rupees level. So immediately we can assume that it should cross the 800 rupees level in the coming sessions as well, if the market sentiment is also in positive movement. Okay, so as usual, if you want to invest in this stock, follow strict stop loss. If you want to invest in heavy quantities, or if you want to do positional trading especially, then you need to take 650 as a good support for the company and rest of all 800 as the target. So heavy greed should not be present. So this is for long term, definitely it will give good return. So even if it crosses 1000 rupees in next coming years also, then you should not be shocked, because movement will be present and the stock is having that potential. So nothing much we can say, only the financials are key thing which you need to be noted. So as usual, money flow index, you can see whether earlier it used to trade only in the overbought region. So currently it has come down and it is in between. So this is an opportunity for people who want to average also, they can average. Okay, so these are the technicals of Adani Green, and also we have seen the volume analysis, which is very important. So if you like the video, definitely like it, and if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe. And if you're having any doubts, do mention in the comment section, so we'll discuss about that as well. So until then, take care, bye bye.